Hey there, future IELTS achievers. I'm thrilled to guide you through some proven strategies that will not only prepare you for the IELTS exam, but will also boost your confidence to ace it. Let's dive right in. First, understanding the format of the IELTS is crucial. The IELTS, or International English Language Testing System, is designed to test the language ability of candidates who need to study or work where English is used as the language of communication. It covers 4 key areas: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Now let's talk about the listening section. This part can be tricky, but with the right approach, you can master it. My top tip: practice active listening. This means not just hearing the words, but also understanding the context and the speaker's intention.
Try listening to various English podcasts or watch movies without subtitles to improve your comprehension skills. Moving on to the reading section. To excel here, broaden your reading horizons. Read daily and vary your sources. Articles, books, journals, and even blogs. Focus on understanding main ideas, details, and inferences. And remember, timing is everything. Practice under time constraints to enhance your speed and accuracy. For the writing section, clarity and organization are your best friends. Practice writing essays on different topics and pay attention to your grammar and vocabulary. It's also beneficial to get feedback from teachers or peers who are proficient in English.
This feedback is invaluable as it helps you identify areas for improvement. Lastly, the speaking section.
This is your chance to make a real impression. Speak clearly and confidently. Think about the questions you're asked and organize your thoughts quickly.
A great tip is to practice speaking with friends or even in front of a mirror to gain fluency and confidence. Remember, regular practice is the key to success in the IELTS. Set a daily study schedule and stick to it. Use online resources, join forums, or even enroll in preparatory classes if you can. Monitor your progress by regularly taking practice tests, which will help you identify your strengths and areas where you need more work. And there you have it. Equip yourself with these strategies, and you're already on the path to success in the IELTS. Believe in yourself, keep practicing, and you'll see the improvement in no time. Here's to achieving your best score. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video, where we'll dive even deeper into mastering the English language.
Good luck and keep pushing forward.